Hey YouTube, I got a 2005 Honda Accord. I'm gonna show you how to replace the cabin filter on it. Alright, first you gotta remove the 8mm bolts on the bottom. Take the glove box out. There's only 2 bolts holding it. And this little tab right there, you just push down on it. I couldn't show it on camera, but just push down on it and it should snap out. There you go, just like that. And just pull the glove box out. Now there's this 2 tabs holding this little cover. Push on it and pull it out, like pull towards you. One on each side. And it'll pull right out with the filter in there. Alright, putting it back on. Make sure you look at the airflow on it. You gotta put it the right way. Usually some arrows on the filter that points towards the airflow. Just make sure you put it the same way, or the right way. Alright, back on. So just put it back in the car. Put it in, slide it back in there. It should clip on. Now this piece right here is broken, so the glove box is not gonna bolt back on the right way. I'll have to fix that later. Just trying to close it so it can stay in place for a little bit so I can put the bolts on. bolts back in it. Like I said, this side is broken, so it's not going in right. But I'll fix that later off camera. And just put this piece back on. There it is. And you're done. Thank you guys for watching.